Hi PrintBest peeps, I'm Kelly, and today I'm going to be showing you how to easily integrate our PrintBest products with your Etsy shop. Let's get started. So I'm going to log in to my PrintBest account. My information is already submitted, so I'm going to log in. I'm going to head to the My Stores tab on the left. And at the top, press Connect to a Store, and we are going to select Etsy. And I already have an Etsy account, so I am going to allow access. And for the sake of this video, I made an Etsy shop called Kelly's Cool Merch, and I am going to start adding my products. Let's choose this Fruit of the Loom men's t-shirt. And as the t-shirt loads, first before we upload our design, I want to point your attention down to the details here, the features of the t-shirt, the sizing, so you can tell your clients how it will size. And let's not forget the file prep guidelines. These are important for uploading your design. Make sure you review these first before. Now let's get to uploading our design. So if this is your first time uploading product and uploading your design, we will take you through a quick demo of how to use each feature while uploading your design. You can add text to your design. You can edit or rotate or resize your design. You can customize the font color, where the text will lay on the shirt, how it's positioned, the alignment. And then you can check the quality of the design once it's uploaded. If it's not good quality, you can clear it and redo it. And finally, generate the product preview. So for this video, we are going to upload some clip art. Looks like it's good. I'm going to generate the preview and add it to my store. I'm going to select the colors and sizing for which the product is available in. It will show you a preview. And then you're going to fill in the product title, tags. You'll see the features have already uploaded from when we selected it. You are going to look over the pricing, what percentage profit you want to generate, and then select Publish Product to your Etsy store and continue. You'll confirm you've read the terms of service and accept them. This could take up to a minute to load, so be sure not to refresh the page or go anywhere. And there you go, your first PrintBest product uploaded successfully to your Etsy store. If I go to my Etsy storefront, you'll be able to see it. And if I click on the product, you should be able to see the range of colors I indicated, as well as the sizing I selected. And that's it. Thanks so much for watching PrintBest peeps. Again, my name is Kelly. Feel free to drop us a DM if you have any questions or comments, and stay tuned for our next how-to tutorial.